welcome to my channel, and yes, I brought you guys my CVS haul. I almost skipped this haul today because of the snowstorm we were having, but once I got out on the road and into town, the roads were not that bad. I mean, I'm from Wisconsin. It's not like I've never driven in snow before, but so far we got a couple inches of snow, and I don't know if it's still snowing anymore, but hey, whatever, it's just gonna melt tomorrow. So hello spring. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now please keep in mind that I have two cards, and I'll show you guys the breakdowns that I did. With my new card, I just got a little bit of stuff. I ended up getting this old or gold emblem sparkling water. Now you guys should know that I just posted a video to show you guys that they updated and added more of those gold emblem coupons. So make sure you guys print those off. That's the third time I've seen them post those, which is nice. And some of them don't expire till July, and some of them don't expire till September. So this is an easy freebie for you guys to get. This is 88 cents. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon. It comes with 12-cent money maker. So yeah. Ended up getting this Caress shower foam. I got the Midnight Iris and Vanilla Bean, and then the Wild Orchid and Coconut Milk. Now my store didn't have these marked, but I'm like, I'll just see what's going on, and then I told the manager that they do count as the thing. So these were $7.49. You guys want to use $2 off 50 coupons from coupons.com. You guys would pay $11.98 for these, but then you get a $10 ECB back, making it just $1.98. So I could not pass that up. And then I ended up having the L'Oreal eyeshadow. Now I had a $3 off of L'Oreal CRT, plus I had a 4 off of 15 makeup. So I wanted to use both of those. So I ended up getting this eyeshadow was $6.49. And then this eyeshadow was $8.79. I think that's ridiculous. $8.79 for eyeshadow. But you guys want to buy both of these. You guys want to use two $1 off coupons that we got from a while back ago. You guys also want to use that $3 off CRT if you haven't already, that it does expire whenever you guys printed them off last week. And then a 4 off of 15 CRT. So I paid $6.28 for the both of these, but then I got a $5 back ECB, making it just $1.28, which I'm okay with. $1.28 for eyeshadow. So had to share with you guys on that deal. So that was my new card. It ended up becoming 64 cents out of pocket that I paid for everything. I ended up using $17.50 of ECBs, but then I received $15 back. So that came to about $3.14 that I paid out of pocket. But hey, I technically paid 64 cents, so I don't care about that. But then I scanned my receipt on Fetch Rewards, and I got 174 points because the Caress is one of their brands that you guys can get extra bonus points. So 174 points on Fetch is awesome. Fetch Rewards, and you guys I definitely recommend doing that app. If you guys haven't already, you can even like redeem your first $3 gift card, and you can use it towards CVS. So what I end up doing is I have a CVS gift card that I end up just paying for everything, so I don't pay any of my money out of pocket. I use that to pay the difference after I pay an ECB. So I'm just letting you guys know with that. And then with my older card, I ended up splitting it in two different transactions because, number one, I've had problems when I don't, and number two, I had to do it for a couple reasons. So I'm going to share with you guys my first deal I got. So I ended up getting the Gain Pods. I want to thank, I said it in my live video last night. I want to say Lori. I'm sorry, you sent me some P&G coupons, which I was super excited about, and you sent me ones with the Gain, the $3 off Gain Tide. So excited. I was like jumping up and down because I haven't been able to do these deals in forever. So thank you for sending me those coupons. I love it. I love getting mail. But these were $4.94. I used a $3 off coupon for this. Now, I had to buy 2 of them in one transaction and 2 of them in another. But if you guys buy 2 and then buy 2 in another transaction, the final price ends up becoming $7.76 for 4 of them. Then you guys will end up getting a $5 ECB back. So it technically comes out to be $2.76 or just 69 cents a piece for the Tide Pods or Gain Pods or Flings or whatever. So that is an awesome deal. So I wanted to share with you guys on that deal. Ended up getting the St. Ives body wash. Now after I purchased everything, my St. Ives was completely gone for the checkout 51 deal, but I'm not heartbroken. It's okay. It's not a big deal, you know. So these were $4.99. You guys want to buy 3 of them. You guys would pay $14.97 for all 3 of these. But then you guys can submit a $10 ECB back. I'm sorry, I cannot talk. You guys will get $10 back in an ECB, making it just $4.97 or $1.65 a piece for this. Not the greatest deal, but hey. But then I also scanned my receipt on Fetch Rewards also, and I got 932 points for that transaction because St. Ives is considered one of the Unilevers. So any of the thing that has the Unilever, you mostly get bonus points on the thing. And so then I also, when I was shopping in the store, I got tons of razor CRTs. Like I got more. Like I might go back and do another razor deal because it's crazy. So these ones are the metal ones. I just started using this. I really like it. It's a little heavy. It's a little slippery, but I like it. So these were $11.99, and I used those $3 off Peely coupons or hang tag coupons that they had sitting right by the razors. So I used 2 of those. And then I bought the Right Guard Alpha and the Stunner. Now, they had $1 off Peelys off here, so I was super excited because I never get the Right Guard coupons, so I used those $1 off Peelys. So these were $3.49, and I used two $1 off Peelys, plus I had a 3 off of 2 CRT. And then with the razors, I used those 2 $3 off coupons. I had a $3 off of, I had $3. Yeah, I had a $3 off to try one of these, I think. I had a $6 off of 2 Venus razors, and then I had a $4 off of 25 shave. So this was just shy of like 25 bucks. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get one of these little Gillette foamy shave gel or cream. So this was $1.59. So all 3 of these came to be like 25 bucks. So if you guys bought all 5 of these, or all 5 of these items, and if you had the same CRTs that I had, you guys would pay $8.55 for all 3 of these, or all 5 of these, which I think is a great deal. But then you guys get the $10 cash card right there. You guys get that $10 cash card, making it a $1.45 moneymaker. So I was super excited about that. So that was transaction number 2 for my old card. I paid 40 cents out of pocket for everything. I used $27 worth of ECBs, and I received $25 back. And so it ended up becoming $2.40 for all that stuff, and plus that $9.32 for Fetch, which is just shy of 1,000 points. So that's almost to $1 right there. And then I got my other transactions. So I ended up getting 5 of the L'Oreal Paris shampoos and conditioners. Now these were 2 for $8, but if you bought one without the second one, you end up paying $4.25, which is not a big deal. So I used 2 $4 off of 2 coupons, plus I had a $4 off of 18 CRT. So I ended up using that. There's all those. I ended up paying $8.25 for all that stuff. But then I got $5 back in an ECB, making it $3.25 or just 65 cents a piece for the shampoo and conditioner, which could be a great deal. I ended up getting soft soap. Now these were $2.50, so 2 for $5. I used two 50-cent off coupons that you guys can print off the soft soap website. You guys would just pay $4 for the both of these, but then you get $3 back in an ECB, making it just $1 or 50 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal, and you can't pass up hand soap. I also did the puffs because I cannot pass up puffs when they're 99 cents and you can use those 55-cent off coupons. I always stock up on tissues. It doesn't matter. These things don't go wrong. They're super easy to have. They're great to bring to school or just anywhere you go. I have them everywhere we go. So again, 99 cents. You guys use that 50-cent off coupon and the April P&G. You guys would get these for just 49 cents. I got 2 more gains that I did in that transaction, so I had to do that. And then I ended up having a 2 off of 2 snack coupon, so I ended up getting the veggie chips. I got these last week and my son absolutely loved them. Didn't you? Yeah. So we got those, and then I also got the pretzels because why not get some snacks instead of peanuts all the time? So those I got for free with my coupons. So that was transaction number 1. I ended up paying 59 cents out of pocket for all that stuff. I ended up using $21 of ECBs for everything, but I received $8 back. So I didn't do very well on that transaction. So if you think about it, I paid $13.59 for that, but I don't care. I paid 59 cents for that. So that was my transaction. I think I did pretty good. I mean, I got some of these. I want to thank you. I think your name was Lori. I'm sorry, I have the piece of paper up at my desk. But thank you for sending me those P&G coupons. I was super excited to do that deal. But you guys know the drill. If you guys enjoy,
I was naked. I was eating these.
You can have them. Do you want them?
I was naked. I was eating them.
You were naked and eating them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys all later for another CVS haul. Maybe this week. I don't know. I probably won't go, but we'll see. I just might have to do some more deals on razors. But yeah, I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.